Here's a load trail trailer, 2-axle, 22 foot long, 7 foot 3 inches wide, 46 inches tall. Titles in order. Guys, this has got it's got your expanded wire on the sides. Let's tailgate down, Jumbo. It's got your tailgate that with the ramps built into it. Tailgate is got springs on it. It's 50 inches. It's 51 inches long. This trailer, the floor is bad. Plus, this frame needs some work on it back here now. It's got 5-hole wheels on it. This is dropped down on this side a little bit. But you people with them welders and cutting torches, you know what you can do in about 30, 40 minutes. You can do the magic on it and make it usable trailer. It's had some work done on it here. It's got a trailer ball. It's got a jack on it. I can't see the size. I don't know if any lights or anything works. It's got your brake units on each wheel. Again, I have not checked anything out. The tires, they sure look all right. Just look at these tires. Tires got real decent tread on them. Guys, this has got a storage unit up here. If you're in the lawnmower business, put your weed eaters and stuff up here. I'm sure that's what that's been.